Hey there guys, this is Cooling139 and welcome back to part 2 of the X-Plane 10 of the Boeing 737-800. Now as far as I can tell, I'm going to be taking a very short takeoff and a very short landing at the nearby airport. And yeah. So here we go then. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay. Just like always. Picking up the speed. And nope. Positive rate of climb gear up. Well, I'm not going to be sending out the elevator trim, guys. Because we're just going to do a short landing. At, I believe this airport right here, the blue one, not the maroon type. Oh, jeez. So I have to reduce the throttle. We're gonna approach the Alright. So there's the airplane itself. Another flyby. Alright, since we already took off, we're going to go in and head straight to the airport, but we're going to have to turn around. Okay, let's go in and lower the gear. Taxi light back on. And no, I can't even turn on. Alrighty. Thank you very much for the early transfer. Appreciate it. Making it all 1,000 money. We'll lower the flaps once we actually. Flaps are completely lowered. Excuse me, guys. Alright. Also, guys, stay tuned for tomorrow because I have a required weekly test to catch. If I do have a required weekly test to catch, then that's a good thing. About there. And yeah. Alright. Should be getting close to the airport right now. Hold on, lower. Okay, the flaps are completely lowered to 40 degrees. Alright, close the throttle a little bit more so we can lower the nose down. Well, we're coming down a little bit fast. I think yeah, that's the airport, guys. Right over there. That's where I'm at. That's where it's at. That's the airport, right over here. Okay, that's like a little bit. This might take forever, guys, so yeah. We're almost getting there, guys. Also, guys, if you want to go back to my first part of how I usually start up and take off on the Boeing 737, then feel free to do that. Right now, I'm just going to show you how I usually shut down the engines, including the ground power right here and the battery switch. But I don't want to mess with that because all of a sudden this little master caution accept button will actually pop out of nowhere. Except for the fire warning bell. Cut out. Oh, where did I go? Oh shoot, okay. A little closer. Alright, let's add a little bit of throttle right now because we're going way too slow. Alright, should be getting there shortly. Really hard.
Okay, turn right 070 and we're going slowing through 250. What do you need?
Almost there. Alright, there it is. Now we're gonna have to turn around so we can line up on the runway. Because if we don't line up on the runway, all of a sudden you're gonna land on the grass field instead. Or the ocean.
Very much. This is 9529, Gulf Stream traffic, 2 mile final, runway 1, no delay, please take off.
Alright, I'm gonna turn around a little bit more. And if you turn around like a lot, this will actually happen. Like, let's give you an example.
Bank angle. Sink rate.
Yeah,
500.
there goes the stick shaker, you heard that. Alright, we're gonna close the throttle right now because we're going in. Well, let's add a little bit of throttle.
400.
Alright, we're almost there.
9529,
300.
short, runway 140.
200.
Whoop.
Sink rate 100.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Wait, hold up, guys. Make sure that the parking brake is released. Oh boy, that's not gonna be good. Oh jeez, okay. Oh! No, that didn't work. Sorry about that, guys. That was a complete failure. We're gonna have to try that again.
Bank angle.
Ooh! Let's try to turn it around in another way. Whoa! Alright, that was like completely crazy. I tried my best to land it, guys, but it's somehow difficult.
Sink rate.
Oh boy. And that ain't good. Alright. Stick shaker again. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. This jet plane is kind of difficult to land, or difficult to turn. So that's the reason why I have to add a bunch of throttle. Why is this thing... Okay, sorry about that. Wrong side of it. Jesus Christ!
Bank angle.
Trying to make a smooth landing right here.
Bank angle.
Alright, here we go. Try again.
Sink rate. Hold up.
Alright.
Hold up.
Oh jeez. Oh boy. Alright. Close the throttle. Alright guys, let's try again. Hopefully we can make a smooth landing. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Easy, come on, come on. Alright. Great. Oh. Yeah, that was a very difficult landing, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, place the speed brakes right now. And we'll just go ahead and taxi to whichever parking space we should go. Alrighty, so that was the world's most difficult landing I ever. Luckily the 737 is okay. Oh. And yeah.
You're 125, turn left at Victor, straight ahead on Bravo and ground point 9. Transit Heavy, New York approach 2 Avenue, planning 150, vector on the ILS, runway 31 right approach. Information November is current.
Okay, we'll fly heading of 150 for 31 right. We have November and we're flowing to 250 United 8 Heavy.
Alright, we'll just go ahead and
588 Heavy to right heading 070
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez. Yeah, turn around too early, so yeah. And as you can tell, guys, once I park parking brakes, Dam Master Caution actually comes on, so yeah. Alright, go ahead and turn off the safety seatbelt sign. And we'll shut down the jet engine. Ground power off, ground off, generators. Oh. Alright, sorry if I'm swearing, guys. Excuse my... Alright. Alright. And there's the jet engines, and they have completely stopped. Alright, we'll go ahead and turn off all the lights. Oh. Switches, yeah. So yeah, guys, that's how I actually, land at the 737 the easy way and the hard way. Well, basically the hard way, I should say. But yeah, so thank y'all guys so much for watching this second part of this video. please leave a like on it. And if you're always new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, that'll be all. So this is Clear139 signing out. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.